Hello, my name is Dr. Gary Alvarez, and I will be your instructor for this course IT 10020, Introduction to Open Source Microprocessor Programming and Data Communication. In the next few weeks, we will learn the basics of robotics and how these mobile devices gather, interpret, and communicate data. My background includes 35 years of IT experience, and I worked in the aerospace industry for almost 20 years and participated in many projects which required this type of technology. I was involved in different aspects of planning, building, data gathering, and reporting. So if you have any questions about the material in this course, I can help. This course will be divided into two sections taking 5 weeks each. The first section, Microprocessor Platform, will have 4 objectives. 1. Definition of an open source electronics platform. 2. Compare the difference between different kinds of OS platforms. 3. What is the Arduino software IDE? And 4. Writing sketches using C++ in the Arduino IDE or the development platform. Section 2 will be the communications and data portion, which also has 4 objectives. 1. Gathering and storing data in Arduino. Explaining the communications techniques for Arduino on a network. 3. Database collaborative information processing. And 4. Monitoring network activity and cybersecurity for remote devices. This week, you will get introduced to open source electronics platforms, namely Arduino, the different variation that it comes in, which to use under certain circumstances, and how to transfer its remote data via Wi-Fi back to a network database. If you cannot attend this week's lecture, it will be available on video in the Week 1, Unit 1 section of the course room. The reading assignment will be Chapter 1 of the course book by Monk S. and 2 articles which will detail the basic design of the Arduino microprocessor, introduce you to the Arduino IDE, and basic programming in C++. The writing assignment will be 2 pages double-spaced with at least 3 references reinforcing your understanding of what an open source platform is and how it works. Lastly, this week's assignment will have you install and use the Arduino software IDE located in the resources section of the course room. Install the software onto your computer, run it, and create a basic program which will turn on an LED using the Arduino and 3 AA batteries. Save the file and upload it into Unit 1 assignment section of the course room. Video instructions on how to install and use the software are also found in the Week 1, Unit 1 of the course room. Ensure you are familiar with the course rubric, as the assignment grades closely follow its guidelines. Class discussions are due by Friday midnight, and assignments are due on Sunday midnight of the week work is assigned. Late assignments will be accepted and graded per the university guidelines. I will have office hours on Wednesday from 5 to 9 p.m. EST and Saturday 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in half-hour increments. Please schedule a time using the class email system if you need to schedule time to speak with me. I can do phone or Zoom conversations. Email me anytime if you have a question. There are 2 ebooks found in the resources section of the course room. Programming Arduino, Getting Started with Sketches by Monk S. and Arduino Programming, Advanced Methods and Strategies to Learn Arduino Programming by Nicholas S. There are 4 activities due this week, found in Week 1, Unit 1 of the course room. View the online lecture. YouTube videos include the introduction to Arduino programming and IDE. Read the assigned pages in the course books and weekly articles. This week it's the Chapter 1 of the Monk S book and 2 articles which detail how to communicate using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth using Arduino. Write a description of this week's subject and give feedback in at least 2 student discussions. Written assessment should be 2 pages, double-spaced, and 1 diagram. And it should detail what are the basic differences between Arduino and Raspberry Pi. And also complete this week's assignment, which is installing the Arduino IDE from the software found in Week 1, Unit 1 section, which then you will create a basic program using the Arduino IDE to light a 5-volt LED bulb. The course rubric and grading guidelines are found in the course description of the course room. If you have any questions or concerns about the subject matter or the material, please contact me. I hope you all enjoy this course as much as I like teaching it. Thank you, and I'll see you online.